Hello friends, today we'll see and how to draw one hypocycloidal curve. Now we know that what is a hypocycloidal curve. So it is a cycloidal curve traced by one circle, a point on the circle when it rolls another inside the another circle internally. So we'll consider one problem. I am reading the question here. So draw one curve traced by a point on a circle of diameter 40 mm when it rolls over the circumference of a circle of radius 60 mm internally if it completes one rotation. Initial position of the point you have to take it as the bottommost point on the circle and you have to name the curve. Now if a 40 mm diameter curve rolls over a 60 mm diameter internally, it will not complete a complete revolution, so it will complete up to certain angle because this diameter is more as compared to this one. So we have to find out the sector angle up to which this small circle will rolls over this 60 mm circle internally. So this is the formula to calculate the sector angle. So small diameter is 40, so small radius will be 20 mm. Bigger radius is 60 mm, so substitute 60, you will get 120 degree as a sector angle. So to start with, draw one one radius of 60 mm, then measure the sector angle 120 degree on it and draw one internal circle touching to the internal surface of this bigger circle. So this bigger circle circumference will behave like a concave surface to roll this smaller circle in this direction. Now we have taken this circle radius as 20 mm because its diameter is 40 mm. It will start from this initial position and it will come to the after complete revolution, one revolution of this circle, it will come to this position and it will trace 120 degree of the bigger circle. Now divide this smaller circle into 8 parts in the initial as well as in the end position. Name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So first point, if it rotates in this direction, so point number 8, which is the initial point, is going to be replaced by first point number 1, then 2, like that in that sequence. You have to name it. So this is the initial point, which is the bottommost. After that, draw the projectors through each divisions and draw the projector through center line as well. Then divide the sector angle into same number of parts as you have done for the circle, means you have to divide into 8 parts. So 120 divided by 8, so each part will be of 15 degree. So 15 degree you have to take and you have to divide the entire 120 degree into such 8 parts. This projector will cut the center line at C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. Now take the radius equals to 20 mm to draw various arcs to cut the respective projectors. So first, with C1 center and 20 mm radius, cut the projector number 1. Now with C2 center and 20 mm radius, cut the projector number 2 at P2. So you have to go on the doing the same for all centers. So C3 center, 20 mm radius, cutting projector 3, you will get P3. C4 center, projector number 4 at P4. C5 center, cutting projector number 5, you will get P5. C6 center, 20 mm radius, cutting projector number 6 at P6. Then C7 center, arc 20, radius 20 mm and cutting projector number 7, and last one is the P8. So draw one smooth arc passing through all this point. So this curve is called as the hypocycloidal curve. So this is how we can draw a hypocycloidal curve. So thanks for your patience watching and listening my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.